today we are gonna remove the water heater from this place, and we need to connect those two hoses that goes to the water heater. So this is the main valve. We don't close that, and we don't touch the faucet, the water faucet. So what we need to connect those two hoses, we need this connector. I will provide the link in the description. Okay, like this. See? Okay, this will wait. So we need one bucket for the water. Okay, when we disconnect those two hoses, the blue one and the red one. So first thing, unplug from the electricity. Okay. But there is a little bit of water in those hoses, so we need the bucket for it. We need a wrench for those two hoses to safely remove them. Okay. Leave a bucket for it. Okay. Do this the same for the other hose. Hoses separated, so we need to remove now this heater. Okay. Yes. Yes, we did it. Great. Now we need this to connect those two hoses, and then that's the permanent solution. Okay, use the wrench. Yes, do the same thing for this. Oh, sorry, wrong way. We did it. Okay, let's test it. We did it. We safely remove our water heater. Yes. Great. I hope you learned something, and see you in one of my next videos.